What's up, brethren? How you guys doing? So today I have a little light that I want to talk about. Alright, let's check this out. So this thing is from Ozark Trail. They make a lot of camping equipment, outdoor stuff, tents, chairs, covers, canopies, lights, table lights like this one. So I got this on Amazon. It was a 2-pack. I believe it was like 12 bucks or something like that. And so I have seen these in other stores where you can go buy outdoor stuff, camping stuff, tents. We all know where to find that stuff. But I was already making an order online, so I grabbed a set of these. My other one is packed away in my camping stuff that I used actually a couple months ago, and I've been using this light up in my apartment, out here in my little studio. So yeah, it's got these two hook things that fold up. One side is open. You can see it right there, perfect. And the same thing for the other side. So when you flip them up and you hook it on to something, it really doesn't have a chance to fall off. Now these things, the top here does unscrew. It's run off of 3 AAA batteries right there. Now you screw that back on, and now this part, it's not clear or anything. It's that white ghosted look. So you got the little orange button there. It has the Ozark Trail symbol on it. You hit that button once, and you got your light. That's the brightest that it would get. You can see it there. It does shine. It does shine. It's pretty bright. So if you have it upside down on the table, you got some light emitting up and all around in every direction. Or if you put it down, then you still have your light. So you got that. Press it once and it's the brightest. Press it again, it's a little bit lower. And then here's an even cool feature. So I use this in my tent for low light. It's dark out, it's nighttime. You don't want to be blinded if you have to get up in the middle of the night and go outside. You don't want to be blinded. So real quick, you would hit this button 3 times and now you got your red. Lights up red. And since I have a big spotlight on me right here, you can't really tell how bright this is, but in dark situations, in the dark of the night, the red actually emits enough light so that you could see everything that you need to see. You hit it again and it flashes red. I don't get why. You hit it one more time, it goes off. I don't get why stuff has a low red light flashing like that. Just make it red, hit the button again, and it's off. But this thing is actually pretty bright. I mean, you can see for yourself there. Red, flashing, then off. I've had these batteries in there for months. This one I haven't turned on in a little bit here. Haven't needed to. Been a little busy. But yeah, for whatever it was, what I say, 12 bucks or something like that for 2 on Amazon, you can't go wrong. And you can't go wrong if you ever have a power outage. Put this on. The one I use for camping, it was on for hours one night. I left it on all night and it worked the next 2 nights without getting dim. So they don't use a lot of power out of the 3 AAA batteries. So I figured, I've been cleaning up some stuff, found it out. No, I never talked about it. No, I never showed it. Didn't make a video. So here you go. 12 bucks. Check these out. Very worth it. They're small. They're compact. They can fit anywhere. They're not going to take up much room. Put it down on the table. So this from Ozark Trail. All I wanted to show you. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Wow. I say it so many times you'd think I would have it down. Hit that bell. Get alerted to new videos. Take care.